How to use Claude AI for script writing. All right, guys. So before anything, you need to decide what you want to do, the topic you want to talk about, or you want to prompt, the target audience, the length, if you want 60 seconds, 2 minutes, the tone, if you want an energetic tone, a professional tone, a direct tone, a condescending tone, you could also include that into your prompt. And then the format. Are you trying to tell a story? Are you trying to make a promotion? Or are you trying to sell something? All right, so once you're clear on that, you can begin to prompt. So that is the first step of actually writing a script using Claude AI, understanding what you're going to write. All right, so in order to do this, just go ahead and simply enter a prompt, a well structured prompt. Don't just simply write, create something out of nothing for me. Just simply give it what you want and give it the resources or a viewpoint in order to create the content you need. An example of this would be to simply enter a prompt that looks like this. It has a direction, it has simple instructions that the artificial intelligence can use as I am on the free plan. So go ahead and click on this enter here. And now Claude is going to begin working on it. And as you can see, this is basically what it has done for me using a simple prompt. That is just how good it is. And then all you need to do is now simply refine it by saying or telling the Claude AI to simply make it shorter, make it more authoritative, remove filler words, increase the retention, and the likes. All right.